Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how to replace the battery in your Cadillac DTS key fob. This is a really easy process. You can do it at home. It just takes a couple of minutes. The only thing you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries. You can get these online. I have left a link down in the description, so you can go over. That link will take you over to Amazon, where you can get the exact battery you need for this device for just a couple of bucks. So go check that out if you are wondering where to get this battery. And then just follow along with me. So the first step is to hold this button on the bottom down. See that little button there? Hold that down and pull out the internal key. Now hold on to the key because we're going to use that to pry off this back section of plastic. I'm going to do that by inserting it back in the keyhole just a little bit, just about to there, and applying a little bit of pressure, just prying until you hear that first little click, and you can see that it has started to open up on this corner. I recommend that you stop prying now because you don't want to damage anything, and take something like a flathead screwdriver, go in that opening and just twist and work your way down the seam, twisting until this whole side is undone, and then you can just open it up like a book and go ahead and set this down for now, and we have access to the battery. Now we're just going to use the same thing. You can use a flathead screwdriver, maybe a pen or pencil, and what we want to do is come in up to the top corner here. There's a little area, a little space in the plastic, and we're just going to pry the battery out, get under the battery and lift it up. Battery is going to come out with this little metal component attached to it. You can just push the battery out. Save this, do not lose it. Just set it down for the moment. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Take a new CR2032 battery, and you're going to pop it into this little component. You can see how it sticks up like that. The positive side is going to go, this one with the plus sign there and the text, that's going to go face down, and you're going to set it back into this component here. So you want to see the negative side up, and in this ring here on the bottom, you want to see the positive side. Now it's pretty easy to just position this. You can see there's this part that juts out that goes into this little opening. Just fit it in there, line it up, and push down, and it will kind of snap into place, and it will stay right in there nice and snug. And now we can just go and click the two halves of the device back together. Squeeze it all back together and put your key back in there. If I can get it in there. There we go. Just finish it up, and that's really all it takes. It's super easy, and I hope it was easy enough for you, and I hope it helped you out. And if it did help you, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just by giving this video a like. And next time, if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, come check us out here on YouTube. We have videos for the devices of pretty much every make or model out there. And you can also get that information directly at our website, fobbattery.com.